Thank you for the opportunity to briefly share some information on the emission standards and then Cummins product and technology to meet those emission standards. There we go. Sorry for the technical difficulty there. As you can see in this slide, over the past 20 years, as emissions have changed, there's been a steady increase in technology to meet those levels. And up until recently, we've been focusing on PM and NOx levels. Starting in 2013 and 2014, we will now focus on CO2 and fuel efficiency because we're at near zero levels on the PM and the NOx levels. And as you can see, SCR is the base and future for meeting the future emissions. Just to briefly touch on some of the regulatory statuses, EPA and the Department of Transportation jointly developed the U.S. rule resulting in one single national rule. CARB has supported this national program as well, and Canada will implement this rule later in the year as well. There are also discussions for a phase 2 of this rule, as Glenn mentioned, going forward. If we look at the rule for 2013-2014, it takes the market and divides it into 3 segments. Heavy-duty pickup trucks and vans, vocational vehicles, and combination tractors. What the rule also does is separate a regulation for the engine and for the vehicle. And so we have 2 different standards for those, combining for improved efficiency as a total package. So really, what does this mean in practice? If we start with the combination tractors, there's a computer model that the EPA has developed that each of our OEM OEM partners have to utilize. And there's, for the combination tractors, it's divided by the type of class and then the type of chassis it is, meaning roof height. And then what that does, the OEM has to input the 5 features that are listed on the slide of aerodynamics, weight reduction, tires, and idling and speed limiters. And all this, then it calculates what their CO2 tonnage is. For vocational vehicles, that's pretty much everything that is in a combination tractor or a heavy-duty truck and van. Pretty much it's the Class 2 and Class 3 type vehicles. And because there's such a great diversity of these types of vehicles in the marketplace, the only thing that goes into the computer model to calculate their CO2 is tires. And then finally, the other aspect of this rule is the engine. And for the engine, our current regulations on PM and NOx does not change. That stays the same. But what is added is the CO2 results go into the certification. So for Cummins, our On-Highway 2013 plan builds on our success of our 2010 product, continuing with SCR after treatment. Then we will have no major changes to the engines in hardware going into 2013. The one change that does affect us is onboard diagnostics. We currently have onboard diagnostics on our ISX 15 450 horsepower and lower today, and then that technology will be implemented across all platforms come 2013. For Cummins, it's critical for us when our development to integrate all our, not only the engine, but all our subsystems and technologies that we have in-house to integrate and develop the best product for our customers. This includes, fully integrated electronics, our combustion technology with our XPI high-pressure common rail fuel system, Cummins turbo technologies, our Cummins emission solution for after treatment and DPF and SCR catalysts, Cummins filtration with DEF and filtration. I'd like to speak to our mid-range engines. For 2013, our ISB 6.7 will continue to demonstrate fuel economy, durability, and reliability. This product has been in the marketplace for several years, many years actually, and continues to be a proven product. We will also introduce the ISL 9, which is currently available, but it will expand the ratings to include the ISC 8.3 ratings that are available today. So that product lineup will expand a little bit, but again, continue to deliver durability and reliability, and it fits well into the heavy, medium-duty truck and some Class 8 applications. We expect to improve fuel economy on these two products about 1% in 2013. If I switch over to our heavy-duty product, in January we announced the ISX 12 product launch, and we made significant improvements to fuel economy to this product. We've delivered up to 12% improvement in the vocational market and about 5% in a regional haul. This product is ideally positioned in the 11 to 13 liter market and is suited for vocational, regional hauls, LTL applications, and it complements our OEM partners lineups, product lineups as well. The ISX 15 is demonstrating fuel economy leadership, reliability, durability, and resale value in the marketplace, and we will continue to deliver this in 2013, again with no major hardware changes. Since launching the ISX 15 in 2010, we've delivered fuel economy improvements, achieving up to 2% better than we initially expected, which was up to 3 to 5% over our 2007 products. Going forward in 2013, we expect to deliver another 2% fuel economy advantage over today's 2012 product. To paraphrase Mark Twain, the rumors of the 15-liter engine demise has been greatly exaggerated. We've done SAE 4 testings and other testings, fuel economy testings in the marketplace, and the 15-liter product continues to outperform the 11 and through 13 engines. Now I'd like to talk about natural gas. That's quite the topic these days, and we have quite the environment and structure. If we look at our ISLG Cummins Westport engine that has been around in its current technology since 2007, it's a simple, reliable type technology. It's spark ignition. It uses a maintenance-free three-way catalyst. It has a waste-gated turbo. It's a stoichiometric type combustion, and it uses cooled EGR. This continues to perform well in the marketplace, and we expect sales of this product to continue. It was originally introduced to the refuge and bus markets, but as we all know, the acceptance and with availability of natural gas, it continues to expand in the marketplace and grow. Building on that technology, in February we announced the ISX 12G engine. We expect to launch this, or it will be launched, in 2013. We're field testing it today, and like the Cummins Westport ISLG, it will be built on the same technology and deliver the same durability. This will give up to 400 horsepower at 1450 torque. So I think yesterday we heard some comments that the 9-liter is built for a 60 to 65,000 pound vehicle. The ISX 12 will go to 80,000 pound vehicle. Again, like the other engines, it's capable of running on CNG, LNG, or biomethane, 100% biomethane, which is also known as RNG. But again, we know that the marketplace is demanding more power, bigger engines, and that's why in March we announced the ISX 15G engine. Again, that's built on the same reliable, simple technology, spark-ignited technology that the other two products are developed on. This engine is going to be marketed and sold strictly by Cummins, and the horsepower ratings will probably be over 500 horsepower. Again, delivering durability and reliability to the marketplace. We are going to start field testing this engine next year in 2013 with full production in 2015. So if we look at natural gas engines versus diesel engines, there's many things that are the same. Most of the major engine components are the same. It's usually about 90% of the engines are the same maintenance intervals, same ratings, same extensive parts service and service network capability. We use the same diagnostic tools, and they're built down the same engine manufacturing lines. A diesel engine can follow right after a natural gas engine at our heavy-duty engine plant in Jamestown, New York, or our mid-range engine plant in Rocky Mountain, North Carolina. So in summary, you can see that we have a very extensive heavy-duty and mid-range diesel and natural gas engines today and into the future. We know that natural gas will continue to play a key part of this industry, and that's why we've developed these engines. And we know the ability of our engines to deliver and meet customer needs is based on our key integration of our engine and our technologies. SCR will remain a technology that is key for today and into the future. Thank you for your time and your attention.